you can understand what I mean in this video. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to make subscribe and like for this video, and share it to another people and in the group Facebook or any forum to help this to help people to get money online. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how you can get $2000 just in easy way to make $2000 just in one without skills and without experience like this. If you don't make subscribe, don't forget to make subscribe and share to another people to help him to get a lot of money online on business online and in internet. Just share it and make like if you like this idea, how to can get $2000 without skills and experience, like this. Here it's Fivver. It's a famous website to make micro service like this, perfectly translate English to Italian and Italian to English. Like it's selling this gig and this service with $10. $10. He buying 200 order. It's 200 top rated seller. 200 it's equal $2000. Look, it's $2000 just in translate. And if you without skills, you can go to Google Translate and a lot of websites who make translate English to Italian and Italian to English, or you can make translate to any language, Arabic language, Spanish, French, all Italian, Dutch, all language. Just you can natively translate English to Hungarian up to 25,000 words like this. It's buying 100 order. Look, look here. It's $4,000. Look, he gain $4,000. Translate perfect French, Canadian French, and English. It's look here. It's 40 $40. He buying 300 order. The professional book translation from English to Spanish. It's easy way to make money online. This service, it's easy way without any skills. Look, you can buy in a lot of order in this, and you can make drop servicing. What is drop servicing? It's this one buying this gig with $10. You can buy in it with 20. And if your buyer buying a gig in your profile, you can go to this profile and this man and buy in for him and give to your buyer. It's amazing way to make money and cash cow money or passive income. Look, you can get this gig and go to sleep, and another day you can return to this profile, and you can see a lot of order and you can serve him. Look here, it's buying more than 1k order. Translate Spanish to or English business or legal document. Look, I wish you can understand what I mean in this video. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to make subscribe and like for this video, and share it to another people and in the group Facebook or any forum to help this to help people to get money online. and to broken this inflation and this craze financial in the world. Thank you so much and welcome to my channel. uh, Another idea, another video. See you soon. Thank you.